Besides these two main functions, a bank also offer various service to attract customers. Okay, so what they will do? So bank, what they will do? They will borrow money and they will lend money. Okay. So in banks, what they are doing, they will accept deposits. Yesterday we had discussed the fixed deposits, saving deposits, current accounts, saving account. Yeah. So fine. So first one is apart from bank, what they are doing, bank draft. Okay. So what they are giving apart from banking service, regular service, they are giving the bank draft, then banker's check, then real-time gross settlement (RTGS). Now I think most of them we are not doing this RTGS. Instead of that, we are doing. We know very well about Google Pay, Phone Pay. Okay, but RTGS was there. So through using internet, we can able to send money. Okay, so fine. Now also it is existing NEFT. In if we use through mobile banking, we can use NEFT RTGS. But we people got பேங்க் ஓவர் டிராஃப்ட் நான் சொன்னேன் உங்களுக்கு நேற்று எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணேன் and also cash credit facilities like credit card. So we will discuss one by one. First one is bank draft. Bank draft is an order issued by bank on any branch of the same bank to pay the specified amount to the person named in it. Okay, so a requisition slip has to be filled by the customer for the issue of bank draft. So bank draft in the sense, for example, SBI. Okay, SBI in the I have a account SBI in Coimbatore. So SBI they have branches all over the India. Okay, yes or no? And also you can say Axis Bank. You can find in all over the India. We can find so many branches. Yes, Axis Bank Tiruchendur, Axis Bank Coimbatore, Erode, Namakkal. So many areas we can find Axis Bank. So here what they will do, in order to issue a bank draft is an order issued by a bank on any branch of the same bank to pay the specific amount to the person named in it. Okay, yes or no? For example, I have Axis account. So if a person like Varshini, okay, she is there in Tiruchengoda, Kandambalayam. So what I can do, I can able to pay her since she is having a Axis Bank account. Okay, those days, those olden days, only our bank to only SBI. Within SBI we can do transactions. Other bank there are certain restrictions for that. Okay, even now also. Okay, so if you want to transfer money, if you want to send money to SBI account, in the sense, I need to go SBI bank, then I can fill the challan. I need to pay the money, so that will deposit to your account. So here, a requisition slip, a slip is there. What we need to do, we need to fill the slip. When the customer requests a bank draft, the issue bank withdraw the draft amount for his account and issue that bank draft. It is drawn by one branch of a bank on another branch of the same bank at the some other place. Okay. For example, now when I have taken a bank draft, it is drawn by one branch in the sense it is in Coimbatore branch. Okay. Coimbatore branch of the bank on another branch of same bank. In Tiruchengoda also we have Axis Bank. In Coimbatore we have so many branches. Okay, I think the four Coimbatore we can divide into 4 zones: North Coimbatore, East, West, South. Okay, the 4 zones also we have 4 different branch. So among that branch, I can able to take a bank draft and I can send that bank draft to what Tiruchengoda bank draft. There is full guarantee by issuing bank bank branch about the payment of the draft to the payee. Draft payee, okay. So payee means what? I am. So I am transferring money to Varshini. Okay. So the guarantee is there. But guarantee in the sense what? The amount will safely reach to Varshini. There won't be any issues. Okay. So there is no risk at all. Do you have experience of paying such amount, guys? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Vanagu Srinidhi. So do you have experience of sharing amount? Experience இருக்கா இதுல போய் பேங்க்ல போய் amount போடுறது? Do you have experience? Have you gone along with your parents?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what they will do, they will go to bank and they will take a slip, that is challan. They will fill the challan. இப்போ for example, வர்ஷினியோட bank account number எங்கிட்ட இருந்துச்சுனாக்கா, I fill that number in Axis Bank here in Coimbatore. Then what I will do, that is payee in the sense myself payee. Okay. So I will write my details and write my account and your Varshini's account also, and what is the how many rupees I am going to transfer. All those details when I fill and I will give it to the cash counter. And what these people will do, they will do all the cross verification, whether the denominations, how many 10, how many 100, how many 500, 2000 can check panittu, they will give sign, authorized sign, and they will give a seal, and they will return the slip on the challan or slip and namakku tharuvanga. Okay. So on the other hand, that amount will safely reach to the particular destination. Got my point? So there is no risk at all. So the customer is charged a fee or commission for issuing bank draft. Okay, we need to pay service charge. Okay, it must be noted that bank draft is always payable on demand. It is also known as demand draft. DD in சொல்லுவோம். Okay, have you all seen DD? Demand draft. So demand draft. Am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
So you can see demand. This is what DD, we will call it as DD, demand draft. Okay. So which consists of the rupees, how much we are going to send. Okay. So to whom we are going to send. All the details will be there. So the amount will go very safely. Okay. So we have to fill both the even both the beneficiaries. Beneficiary means the person who is going to receive this money and the payee. So all those details from the will be mentioned here. Okay. Fine. Next one is the next facility what we are going to discuss. Um, check, bankers check. Have you ever seen checkbook? Checkbook பார்த்திருப்பீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். In your home, you might be seeing your mom, dad's. Even if you have open a account, you might be seeing checkbook. இல்லையா? So the banker check is almost like bank draft. It refers to the bank draft which is payable within the town. So in practice, banker's check is payable at a branch of issue and used for payment within the local clearing jurisdictions. Okay, have you ever seen the checkbook?
Yes, sir.
So this is what the checkbook seems to be. So what we need to do, we need to write the details. Okay. So pay to whom we are going to pay. Okay, how many rupees? 10,000 is 10,000. Date and your name and signature. Okay. So this is how checkbook seems to be. So we need to fill those details. The pay in the sense to whom we are going to pay, how many rupees in words, in figure, and date. It must be there, and we need to sign it here. Our signature. Okay. So the check will be treated as like money. Okay. How we importance is given for rupees currency notes. So same equal importance will be given for this checkbook also. Okay, so who will give a checkbook? Only the bankers will give us checkbook. Okay, so to the customers, it is a one of the service. Okay, even here in our book also they are given a checkbook, a sample check. Okay, so we can fill the like a bank draft. There is a full guarantee by the drawee bank about the payment of the banker's check to the payee. So there is no risk bearing being honored. The commission charge on banker's check is less than the bank draft, that is DD. The bank issue banker's check for local purpose and issue bank draft for outstations. It is also known as pay order. Okay, so so checkbook one the what are the purpose we can use check in the sense we can use checkbooks within the within what within the boundary. Okay, so the bank, whereas bank, the like bank draft, full guarantee by drawing bank about the payment of the banker's check. There is no risk. There is no risk of cheating. Okay, in this check, the commission charge. There is a commission charge for the check. Okay, but it is less than bank draft. The bank issues banker's check for local purpose. Okay, for local in the sense for within I think within our domestic territory, within our country. Okay, so local na within, don't think that within our village or within our district, so we can use this check within our country. Okay, that is called checkbook. So first service they are giving is demand draft facility. Second thing is checkbook facility. Third one is RTGS. What is RTGS in the sense? Real time gross settlement. Okay. So it's an online system. So now nowadays we are not doing RTGS. Okay. Are you doing guys RTGS? Simply you will ask, sir, shall I Google Pay? Shall I Phone Pay? Yes or no? Even in Amazon, they will ask, even maximum now, even Amazon, they will ask either COD or debit card, credit card. So RTGS வந்து பார்த்தோம்னாக்க before I think before Google Pay and Phone Pay enter into the market, previously we used only RTGS and NEFT. Okay, so in Google Pay, with the transaction once immediately I forwarded immediately a transaction 100 rupees, whether it will reach you or Harsha, sorry, Alavu Srinidhi immediately, or it will take some time. Alavu Srinidhi,
Sir?
if I Google Pay you, you will get whether you will get the amount, you will receive the amount immediately or it will take some time.
I'll get immediately, sir.
Yes, immediately, right? And even in Phone Pay, the moment I transferred, immediately you will receive the money. Yes, fine. So here Whereas RTGS, in the sense, you can see, we'll discuss one by one. It's a system. A system is an online system for transferring funds, in which transfer of money take place from one bank to another bank on a real time and on gross basis. Okay. So RTGS, okay, RTGS is we can able to send money through online, so we can able to transfer the fund. So it will take which transfer of money take place from one bank to another bank on real time basis. Okay. So what is the important point of RTGS? So RTGS operated by RBI. The RTGS system is maintained and operated by RBI and provide means of efficient and fund transfer among banks. Okay, well, RBI, in the sense, it is a Reserve Bank of India, also called as central bank. So RTGS full and fully controlled by whom? RBI. So Google Pay, who is controlling GPay? Google, Leah. Yes. So Google is a private firm. Yes. So maximum we are trusting. Okay, they are doing end-to-end safe process. But compared to Google, this RTGS is very trustable because it is operated by whom? This our central government, central bank. Settlements. RTGA refers to continuous, that is real-time settlement of fund transfer individually on the order by order basis without netting. Real-time means processing of instruction at the time they are received rather than at some later time. So many reaches the beneficiary instantaneously, and the beneficiary bank has the responsibility of credit and beneficiary account within 2 hours. The gross settlement means the transaction is settled on one-to-one basis without netting with any other transactions. So as the fund or settlement take place in book of the RBI, the payment are final and irrevocable. Okay, fine. So if I transfer RBI, sorry, if I transfer RTGS money, how many hours it will take? Nearly it will take 2 hours. Yes, in Google Pay, immediately the amount will credited to your account. But if it is RTGS, it will take some time, nearly 2 hours. Okay. And also some government holidays, it will not work. RTGS வந்து work ஆகாது. Okay, let that we will study one by one. So here everything is monitored by RBI. The minimum and maximum amount, how much minimum? The RTGS system is primarily meant for large value transaction. The minimum amount to be remitted through RTGS is 2 lakh. So there is no upper ceiling for RTGS transaction. Okay, so minimum in the sense we can go for 2 lakhs is the minimum amount we can do RTGS. Okay, so maximum there is no ceiling. Essential information needed by remitted customers. Remitting customers. Remitting means what? I am suppose I am doing RTGS. Okay, so you are the person. Okay, I'm transferring money through a Varshini. So Varshini is the remitter here. The amount. So what is the amount? How much? 22 lakhs or 2 lakhs 10,000. I need to mention. Then the customer number, account number, then name of the beneficiary bank. Okay, guys, listen here. Are you all there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so remitter. Okay, remitter means so sorry, sorry, okay, one small mistake. So I will be the remitter. Okay, so I am transferring money to Alagustinidhi. So here my details. First I will give my details. Okay, what is amount, what I am going to transfer. Okay, Then is my remitter in the sense my name, my customer, my account number, bank account number. That is what second thing I required for RTGS. And third one is beneficiary. Beneficiary in the sense to whom I'm going to, which bank I'm going to transfer. Beneficiary bank. For example, State Bank or Axis Bank, any bank. Okay. Next one is name of the beneficiary customer. Who is beneficiary? Who is going to receive the money? So amount of the beneficiary, account number of the beneficiary customer. Okay. First thing is your bank name, SBI. Balagustinidhi's bank name is required, and Balagustinidhi name, full name is required, and your customer account number is required. Then Indian Financial System Code, IFSC, IFS code. Okay, IFSC. Now IFS code is required. Which code? Unga bank code. Now we are saying IFSC code, but for RTGS IFS, Indian Financial System Code. IFSC is what? Code number. The over bank code IFSC code. Okay. So now we in bankers nowadays they are calling IFSC. Okay, sorry, IFSC. But those days IFS is required. So these are the things required. What are the things required? The amount, how much I am going to transfer. Who is the remitter? I am the remitter. My details, my account number. Then to which bank I am beneficiary means the person who is going to receive the money, their bank account, their bank name, their account number, and how many rupees. Then IFSC, all those things. Put the remittance. The amount will remitted within 2 hours. Time involved in transfer of fund. Under normal circumstances, the beneficiary branches are expected to receive the fund in real time as soon as funds are transferred by the remitted bank. Real time within a day. Okay, within a day, which is to be called as real time. So that is how many minutes? The nearly 120 minutes. That is 2 hours. It will take. So if they do RTGS, it will take 2 hours for you to receive the money. Okay, that's why it is called as real time. Okay, so acknowledgement received. The remitting bank receives a message from RBI that money has been credited to the receiving bank. Okay, so acknowledgement. Acknowledgement means what? Amount received or not. So once you receive the amount, that will be acknowledged by RBI. So what is the service charge they are charging? In case of inward transaction, no charge be levied. For outward transaction, 30 rupees 30 per transaction. 30 per transaction for transfer of fund from 2 lakh to 5 lakh, and 55 percentage of for funds transfer more than 5 lakh. Okay. So how much they are charging? In case of 2 lakh to 5 lakhs, 30 per transaction, rupees 30. If more than 5 lakhs in the sense, 55 per transaction. These are the service transaction levied by whom? RTGS. So what is inward in the sense within same bank to same bank? For example, I am from myself Axis Bank and to Axis Bank in Tiruchengodu to Varshini. That is what inward. Suppose Varshini, she said, sir, I don't have access. I have only Indian bank. So that is not inward. Okay. So in that case, they will charge. Please inward by inward in the sense there is no charge. Clear, guys? Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Varshini,
Sir,
any doubts, ma'am?
no doubt, sir.